Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Castlevania Symphony of the Night on PC. First, you'll need an emulator, which is software that mimics a PlayStation 1 console. This allows your computer to run the game. Make sure your PC has at least 2 GB of RAM and a decent processor for smooth gameplay. It's a straightforward process to get set up. Next, you'll need the game file itself, often referred to as a ROM or ISO. This is essentially a digital copy of the game disc. You'll want to find a version that's compatible with your emulator. Always ensure you obtain game files legally, for example, from a disc you already own. The file size is usually around 500 megabytes. Once you have both the emulator and the game file, it's time to set things up. Install the emulator software, then open it to adjust settings. You'll want to configure your video and audio preferences and definitely set up your controller. Most emulators support standard PC gamepads. Finally, load your Castlevania Symphony of the Night ROM through the emulator's File or Open menu. Now you're ready to dive into the world of Castlevania Symphony of the Night. Start the game and enjoy the classic action. If you encounter any lag or graphical glitches, try adjusting the emulator's settings, perhaps lowering the resolution. Remember to save your game frequently, just like on the original PlayStation. Have fun exploring Dracula's castle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.